Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'll be showing you how to custom mount a spare tire carrier to an SCX24 Deadbolt. Let's start by removing the roll cage from the body of your RC. I'll be using a tire carrier made for the SCX24 Jeep Wrangler. If you would like to pick one up for yourself, follow the link in the description below. There are two tabs located in the center of the roll cage that will make a perfect mounting point for the spare tire carrier. Using a 1/16 inch bit, drill a hole in the middle of each tab. There are marks for manufacturing on the tabs that can be used to line up your drill bit. Next, I'm going to glue two leftover screws from previous mods into the farthest holes from the mounting post on the tire carrier. Now glue the two holes you drilled on the roll cage and insert the screws that were mounted to the spare tire carrier into these holes. For some extra support, glue the seams between the backside of the tire carrier and roll cage. Grab two more screws and glue them into the remaining holes on the tire carrier. Next, I'll be using clear silicone to fill the void between the backside of the spare tire carrier and roll cage. The silicone being used adheres to a number of different surfaces, including plastic and metal. Once dry, the tire carrier and roll cage will be fused together, making one solid piece. To smooth out the silicone and clean any excess on the roll cage, some paint thinner on an old rag will work just fine. Let the silicone sit for 24 hours to make sure it's completely dry. Once dry, reattach the roll cage to the body of your deadbolt. To finish up, grab a tire and mount it to your new spare tire carrier. Now we can take the deadbolt outside and see how our modification looks in action.